Hello guys, my name is Sukadana and you are watching SJ Robotics. So great to see you all after such a long time. Sorry for not uploading for this many days. I was a little bit busy. Okay, come back to the point. So we have created a Zoom bot by the caption as you have came to know. This Zoom bot will just attend our all the classes according to the schedule, and how it works I will explain each and every part of the code bit by bit, but let's have a test run. So I have given the GitHub link, repository link in the comment below. You can just comment and description also. You can just check it out and you can just download in the zip form, and when you will unzip you will get something like this. And in this what you need to do, for Windows they will have the batch file, and for Linux it has a script file. Sorry Mac users, because I have never used a Mac, so I have no experience with Mac how to deal with it. Okay, and now if you are Linux user, let me show you, because presently I have that Linux folder, like the script folder I have. Let me open and show you what is the code inside that. See, the first thing which what he is doing is he will install the Python library, which is PyAutoGui. The PyAutoGui will control our whole bot, means it will locate the buttons and it will just click on that simultaneously. And if you are a Linux user, so you need to install Scrot also. I am pronouncing correct or wrong, please don't mind, sorry. My pronunciation is little bit different. So Scrot, CROT, Scrot. So we need to install Scrot for the Linux user only, because it will locate the screen. For that it's used, and that's it. After installing both these two, you are good to go. But not for Windows user, it's required. You can just install the pip install PyAutoGui. Okay, now this is the image of meets, all the meeting images like join button, leave button. This all images are there which the robot will locate and just click on that. Okay, now let's run the bot and see. And yeah, let me run the bot and he will fetch all the data. Okay, I have not shown you the, okay, let me stop the bot, and I have not shown you how to schedule your timings. Like we have schedule timings.txt. Just you need to open it. Let me stop the highlight, and yeah, you need to give some data, like as many meeting ID you want to give, you can give. It will just go according to that. Like here I was having, before the recording I was just testing, and so here I have now, as you can see, the timing is like 9:17 p.m. according to, I am staying according to 12 hours clock. Let's write in the 24 hours format, like it's 17. Let's join the meeting at 18 and leave the meeting at 19 only, just for 1 minute. Okay, and here is my name, here is my meeting ID, and here is the password. Okay, this like you can write multiple meeting IDs, timings, and exiting timings you can write. Okay, after that you will just save this file and you will just close the file, and you will just run the control bot.py. Now let me run that control bot.py, and let's say it will fetch all the data, and it will just wait for the, it will just turn on the zoom, as we have already kept our zoom on, so it will just start directly. And here it, we can see it has started, and he will enter the link, and after that he will see, do we require to insert the name? If not, then it will leave, and it will see that do we have support of audio, sorry, not audio, video. Then if we have the support of video, then it will turn off the video and enter the meeting. And if there is a password, then it will enter the password. If it is not there, then it will not. And as you can see, it has connected to the mic, and it will mute the mic. That's all. And let's, it has, it is going, it is going to exit at 19, as we know. So this was the whole thing which you saw, that if there is a password, and it will enter the password and it will come into the meeting. If there is not, it will come directly and it will connect to the audio and it will mute the mic just. Okay, and if there is no option of connecting audio, like some computers does not need that, then it will just count. And as you can see, the time has up and it has just leave the meeting automatically while we were talking, and just we were having only one meeting ID, so it is waiting for the next meeting ID which will come tomorrow. So we don't need, just we will close the bot now. So this is our this was our bot, and sorry, I have open Chrome. So this was all about our bot and how do you like it. Just don't forget to share your opinion. And now let's review the code after this much of testing. Okay, let me open this both at the in Visual Studio only, because it's our all favorite one. I don't know about you, I'm saying about mine. So first let's see the main bot. Okay, the main bot has three main libraries like OS to open the Zoom. See, when you will install, means when you will not install, means when you will unzip the repository in your computer, just in this area of Zoom, means in Linux, if you write Zoom in terminal, it will directly open the Zoom. In Windows, we need to see where the Zoom is there, and we need to copy that path and we need to put that path here. After that only you can start, because otherwise the Zoom can't start automatically. Okay, just this thing you need to edit in your code, that's it. And next let's see. So here we have created a function known as join meeting, which requires three parameters, which is that meeting ID, password and username. First, what it will see, it will join the meeting by searching the join meet button. Okay, after searching it, and it will just click on that, and after that it will, of course, it will ask the meeting ID, and it will just enter the meeting ID, and it will again click on that, and after that it will write our meeting ID, the meeting ID which we have given. Okay, meet ID it will write. Okay, and after that it will just confirm us that yes, we have written everything. And if it's required name, like in my case the Sukarna Jana was already written in that meeting, but sometimes if you are new, then it doesn't comes. So for that it will just see is name enter is option is there or not. If it is not there, then it will just leave. If it is there, then it will just click on that and it will write the username. Okay, after writing that username, yeah. Okay, here I'm seeing some small bugs here, like it should come like meeting name. Sorry, I don't know how it has, sorry, yeah. After that, after seeing that meeting name, and it will, if it does not require, then it will go to the next step, which is that if there is a audio support, sorry, not audio, video support or not, because many of the computers does not have video support, they don't have webcams. But if we talk about laptops, majority of the laptops have webcams, so they get a video support. If there is a video support, then it will just turn off the video, because we don't want to expose ourselves. After that, just it will enter in the Zoom meeting, and if it requires password, then it will just enter the password and it will just enter into the meeting. If password does not required, it will directly go to the meeting. Okay, now after the entering to the meeting, after joining the meeting, we need to make sure that our audio is connected and the mic is mute. Okay, so it will this function check connection will help us to do that thing. Okay, let's as you can see, PyAutoGui and the location. Okay, sorry. So here it will locate the pop-up button, means as you know that after sometimes the bottom part of the Zoom disappears, so we need to make it visible once again. So as you know, this at the corner of the Zoom you have noticed one green color square box which represent the security. We will just search that button, and we will just move the mouse, by which the hidden buttons will again start appearing. Okay, after appearing, just it will click on that mic audio, means if the audio is not connected, it will just click and it will connect to it. If it is not required, means if the audio connection is not there, then just we can leave it also, that's not a big deal. After connecting it to the audio, we need to make sure that our mic is mute. So it will just check. If it is unmute, then it will just mute it, and if it is mute, then it's okay, it will leave it. And after that, we need to check that our video is off or not, because why to take risk, double check, है ना. So we will check that the camera is off or not. If it is off, then it's good to go. If it is not, it will just off the video, and the meeting will start as usually. Now when the timing ups, like when we need to leave the meeting, so it will just call the leave meet function, where it will search the leave button. First it will shake the mouse, by which all the disappearing buttons which comes in the bottom will come again, reappear, and after that it will search the leave meeting button, and it will just click on that leave meeting button, and just it will come out of the Zoom meeting. Okay. And the next thing, our control bot, which will control our whole robot. So here we have imported that our main bot, and we have imported date and time for checking all the date and times. Okay, now from the schedule timing file we will import all the timings, exit entering time, name, password and ID. It will just fetch everything. If we have given multiple IDs, then we get slash n on the end, so it will just remove that slash n, and it will, by comma separated, and it will create a list. Okay, after that creating a list, and yeah, if their list should have, list length should be 5, as we know that we have 5 inputs. So if it is less than that, it will just give this that insufficient data is there, and after that it will just turn on the meeting Zoom. It will just turn on the Zoom by calling open Zoom meet. As I have said, you need to change the location of your Zoom, where it is located. Okay. And after that we will just go into a while loop, where what it will do, it will just note the current time, what is the current time, and it will just take the schedule time, what is the schedule time. It will just cross check each other, and if the time is matching, then it will just enter, it will see that what was our entering time, and it will note the ID, name and password, and it will just call the join meet function, as we have seen in the previous script file, means previous Python file. And it will just it can be in an integer form also. So for the just satisfaction, we have converted everything into a string format only, nothing should go wrong, that's why. And here as we can see, it has just start the Zoom meeting, and it will just check everything is connected or not, and disconnected, our mic is mute or video is closed or not. After that it will again go to another loop, where it will just see when we need to exit. It will see the current time, and if it matches with the exit time, then it will just leave the meeting, and it will just break the loop, and it will come out this it will come out of this while loop. And after that again this while loop will run, and it will wait for the next Zoom meeting, and this like only the bot can run throughout the day. So this was our whole code, and I hope you have loved our code. So thank you for watching this type of videos, and I will be updating this type of more videos on future with creating more creative bots. And don't forget to see our repositories. There are many tons of experiment we have done, like projects we have created, and everything is published on our repository. I will give the link in the below. And yeah, thank you for giving your time. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.